Investing is one of the building blocks that aims to help people reach their financial goals, but getting started can be challenging. Recurring investments make it easy to invest and help average out the highs and lows of volatile market conditions. Let's check out how simple it is to set up a recurring investment. Start by navigating to the Invest tab within the SoFi app and find a stock or ETF that you're interested in buying into regularly. Here, you'll see the current price and the historical graph of the stock. If this stock is available for recurring investments, you'll see two choices when you tap the Buy button. From here, choose Add a Recurring Investment. Now you get to decide how often you want to invest. You can pick the day of the week and the frequency for your investment. Next, you'll set up how much you want to invest each time. You can pick any number thanks to fractional shares. That means if the stock you're buying costs $1,000 per share today and you want to invest $100, you'll get 1/10 of a share this time. Okay, give your recurring investment one last review. If everything looks good, click Confirm. There you go. Your recurring investment order is scheduled. Now you can forget about timing the market and keep on living your life.